Hi, I'm Brandy Pittser, and I'm going to show you how to make some steamed eggs in the microwave in the SmartSteamer, in the Tupperware SmartSteamer. And you put your water in the bottom base, fill to the line. And I've got the dozen eggs in there. Just put the lid on there. You're going to cook it for 12 minutes in the microwave. It's just that simple. So timer just went off. We're going to pull them out. It's got handles you can grab the sides so that way it's not hot. And when you open the lid, pull it away from your face, that way the steam doesn't burn you. And here's the 12 eggs that they are ready to be eaten. You just let them cool and then you can peel them very easily. And that is in the Tupperware SmartSteamer. Alright, we are back after the eggs have cooled. I'm just going to show you how simple it is to be able to peel them. The shell just comes right off. And there you have it. I'm just going to cut it in half just to show you what the inside of it looks like.